What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are bringing this unit to OSW. I have a couple things left that I have to do. I have to put about 6 tires in the car, see if I could fit that in there. I gotta put the jack in the back and then also peep the little extended pipe so I can bang some walls. Dude, this thing is an absolute unit, bro. Look, 2 right here, fire extinguisher, 2 on the other side, and then let's go all the way over to the back. We got 2 in there. And then we got the jack back there, bro. Mint. Alright, y'all boys and girls. Just made it to OSW. I got out all the tires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm just airing up the tires right now just so I can get them to about 65 or 70 PSI. Because if it's not higher than that, then it's not going to break traction. This is what Mark's whipping. I don't know who owns this. It's a nice little M3 he's renting. The Turbo Genesis Coupe. Bro, this is fire, bro. This is my first event, and I'm excited for it, bro. I'm surprised I haven't, like, spun out yet, because I have, like, no angle on this.
Yeah.
Damn, right as I said that.
Pretty fucking good for 170 horsepower.
Right? It's that damn diff. Oh, is that mine? Whoops.
Yeah. Mine always flies out of my pocket too. That shit's solid for 170.
Bro, it's crazy.
The clutch kicks are like perfect to get us sideways.
This is so much fun, bro. The streets are fun. This is also very fun. God, I wonder what that noise is. I don't think it's that important, whatever it is. It's probably like I don't know. It might be the diff shaking around. I hope it's not the subframe. If it's the subframe, that's very shitty. Too hard.
Almost perfect.
Alright, now I'm gonna take a little ride in the M3. Yeah, bro, I'm so glad that I replaced my power steering, because if I was drifting with power steering, bro, it would have sucked.
What'd you think of the M3?
It was pretty cool.
Gets down, huh?
I almost want to try going in third, but I feel like I'm not going.
I tried third on the M3 and it didn't do anything.
It didn't. It just bogged.
410 dip in there, right? Huh? You have 410 dip in there?
346. In second or third in here?
Second. Second for everything.
Okay. I did not have enough power for that. Damn it.
Oh, it died out. That was funny.
That's tough. I kind of want to like attack it like going like this.
Go for it.
Damn it, bro. God, I'm all over the fucking place, bro. Damn, was that the tire?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it definitely was.
Pretty easy.
I thought it might have been an axle. Jesus Christ.
Wheel definitely.
Bro, you should look it up at this point. I definitely, I gave her the beans. Tragic.
Sick.
Damn, hopefully I could just pop this back in. Oh well. This is so sad, bro. It was literally perfectly fine. And then I came to the oval. And then now this is what we're looking at. God damn it. Damn, pop the tire. It's all good though. Yeah, this thing is donezo. I need to figure out, I need to get a screw for this or something. This looks pretty ugly. All right, boys and girls, now we are going to get this bad boy off so I can continue ripping. I just hope it didn't damage anything. Oh my Lord, look at that shit. Bruh, I killed this tire. I think it still has some life on it. Oh my God. Alright, let's see how much it's messed up. It literally didn't mess up anything. It just popped out the bumper. It's not too bad if you ask me. Much worse could have happened. horsepower does it have?
Somewhere around 450 to 500 in the wheel.
This car did very, very good today. I got a little bit of a oopsie right there and right there, but I didn't even use that many tires. I still have like 5 left. See you guys in the next video. Peace.